approaching the ring, from Toronto, Canada, Snake!
Well, the WWE Universe sure isn't shy about sharing their feelings about this superstar.
There's the bell, and it's time to get extreme.
He saw that one coming. Oh, man! He landed right on his neck from that German suplex. He anticipated that move perfectly. Oh, that did it.
The bad guy escapes that one.
Back into the ring now. Wait, nice reversal.
The bad guy.
Oh! Oh, a serious knockout blow.
Just driven to the floor.
There's a lot of things under the ring, and all of them hurt.
And he gets escorted back through the ropes. Playing mind games.
Yeah, a little intimidation there.
Is going to return to the ring.
He was able to reverse that.
The bad guy.
The monster counters it.
By any means necessary. The kick connects. What a fierce kick.
Dropped. And that was a hard shot.
There's a big-time Samoan drop. The bad guy saw that coming. An elbow drop. The bad guy's trying to goad his opponent into making a mistake.
What a shot!
And he goes bouncing off the barricade. And we're going back between the ropes. Woo, a little showboating going on here. Now back under the ring, looking for another object of some sort. Oh, directly on that table.
Wait a minute. It looks like a table coming into play here.
And he gets back in the ring. What kind of devastation will we see now?
I don't know, but I think we're about to find out. Well, going to the top, high risk. Oh, my gosh.
He's setting it up.
Uh-oh, look at this. Look at this. You don't often see a superstar's own finishing move used against them like this.
Oh, man. He's looking at it. The monster. Relentless.
His shoulders are down. And the bad guy kicks out at 2. I don't know how he can counter this. I don't know how he's going to get out of this here.
Great hold being applied.
Do you want to submit?
What diabolical things are going through that mind right now?
When you get in control like this, you want to throw everything at your opponent. And that could be what we're seeing here.
He's got it locked in. This could do it.
Oh! You hear how his leg connected?
The bad guy escapes that one. Through the end of the ring. The damage has definitely been done. Now it may just be a matter of time. Into the collar and elbow tie-up. Only one can come out ahead. Just trying to goad his opponent into making a mistake here. And the monster.
Here's a cover. Oh, the monster counters it.
Neither individual is going to back down here.
Ouch! Wow! Oh, did you see that? That laid him out cold.
Oh, launched back into the ring. And the monster with tremendous power. And he gets back in. Now back to the ring. The bad guy. What a maneuver. Doing whatever it takes to win.
No! Man, that wasn't nice.
And will this be it? Referee barely had time to begin a count there.
What a battle this has been. This no disqualification, anything goes match.
Incredible agility on display with that move. He drops the elbow.
Whoa!
And once again, the bad guy has momentum. And that's a hard landing to the outside.
He's in a world of trouble. Much more of this, and I doubt he'll be able to continue.
What a move!
He's in big trouble.
Like a dart, it crashes right into those steps.
Look at this. He's just barely moving. I'm not sure he can get back to his feet. Whoa! That's it. He's out.
There's the cover. Can he do it?
Lights out. We got a cover. Oh, did you see the hit snap back? Did you see that, Cole? Talk about getting your spine adjusted. Jeez. Oh, no! Incoming!
He drops the elbow. And there's the submission hold. Will this do it?
Oh, look at the emotion.
Look at this. Could it be?
That's it. He's done.
Doing whatever it takes to win.
Whoa!
What a reversal.
Stay down. Stay down. Look out! I don't believe it. He just stole his opponent's finishing move.
Look at this. This could be it.
He's adding insult to injury by using that move against his opponent.
1, 2, 3.
The monster wins.